What happens to your house in a divorce? Here's what to know to avoid costly housing mistakes in the midst of a divorce. Hi, I'm Kelvin Reed with your Home Sold Guarantee Realtor Reed's Real Estate. Divorce is a tough situation which opens up many emotional and financial issues to be solved. One of the most important decisions is what to do about the house, right? You have 4 basic housing options within the midst of a divorce. Number 1, you can sell the house now and divide up the proceeds. 2, buy out your spouse. 3, have your spouse buy you out. Or 4, retain your ownership. It's important for you to understand the financial implications of each of these different scenarios to learn what happens to your house in a divorce, and more importantly, how to avoid costly housing mistakes which can save you thousands of dollars. Then call or text me 757-244-9716 today.